if you have oil in your spark plug thingamajigs, or if you see it seeping out the side here, you may end up having to replace the valve cover gasket. Okay, so I don't know how much of that you guys heard. I'm trying out a new, my first little mic thing that I got. I'm not really too impressed with it. So here, yep, you can see a bit of moisture on there, but that is to be expected. Today's flavor is Super Tech High Mileage by W30. Of course, not endorsed or sponsored. Alrighty, today we are going to do valve cover gasket on this 09 Pontiac G3 with the 1.6 Ecotech. Only reason I'm doing this video is I can't find fuck off for particular Pontiac G3 with this style Ecotech. I find all sorts of the old ones with like single spark plug wires, but as we will see, this is the single style coil. So yeah, I figure any work I'm going to do to this now, I'll go ahead and record and throw up on the YouTubes there. Alright, so we're gonna dive right in. This particular gasket I got, I think Rock Auto for $5 or so. It was really crazy. It showed up in this tiny little box. Okay, so for this we're gonna need some torque. I think that one's a 40. Yep. I think these are all E10. Yep. Man, that's sketchy feeling. There's that, as you can see, there's some oil. So I'm going to take this guy off here. There. That's how you do that. Just need to shimmy on there. Okay, I think we're just going to leave that how it is. We put this back where it goes. Okay, so it's got to be plenty. Okay, that's fine. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my screw gun. We'll just zip these all out. I got all of these bolts off of here. I don't think we're going to have to take the spark plugs out. I really can't in this situation. Some oil down in 2 cylinders, so I'm going to use the sucky machine and try and scoop all that shit out as much as we can. Goodness. She is stuck right on there. Okay, just a little wiggle wiggle. Okay, we're back from the spray off. got all that snot looking out of there. I think for the most part it cleaned up pretty well. I was kind of afraid using brake clean on this, but I'd have to say we got away with it just fine. Okay, we've kind of cleaned it up a little bit, and all we gotta do now is match everything up. That's it. Now we just reinstall. Alright, now I'm just going to clean up this sealing surface a little bit. Okay, 8 Newton meters. We're gonna try that first. Yeah, 10. Okay, we're good. So that's that. It'll take forever, but I really have no other way to do it. Oh snap. We're getting somewhere now. Oh yeah. That one's pretty much dry now. Yep. Perfect. Almost done at this point. Gotta remember to plug some stuff back in, and we're basically done. Plug in our coil.